Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and foolproof way to delete all your photos from Google Drive at once. Whether you're cleaning up your cloud storage or just starting fresh, this guide will save you tons of time. So stick around until the end. You won't want to miss this. First, let's log into your Google Drive account. Open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and make sure you're signed in with the account where your photos are stored. Next, click on the Photos section on the left-hand menu. This will filter all your files to show only your images, making it easier to delete everything in one go. Now comes the key part: selecting all your photos. Click on the first photo to highlight it, then scroll down to the last one. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last photo. This will select every photo in between instantly. Once all your photos are selected, right-click on any one of them and choose Remove from the menu. This will send all your selected photos to the trash. But remember, they aren't gone forever yet. To permanently delete them, click on Trash in the left-hand menu. Inside Trash, you'll see all the photos you just removed. Click Empty Trash and confirm the action. And just like that, all your photos are permanently deleted from Google Drive. A quick tip: if you're using Google Drive on mobile, the process is very similar. Open the Drive app, go to Photos, select them in bulk and remove them. Then empty the trash to free up your storage completely. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your photos from Google Drive in just a few easy steps. If this guide helped you save time and clear up space, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Google Drive tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.